How to pin and unpin post on Instagram. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to pin and unpin posts on Instagram. Now let's get started. First you need to go to the App Store and make sure that you have updated Instagram to the newest version. Then open Instagram and open your profile just by clicking on the profile icon at the right corner at the bottom. Now open the post that you would like to pin. Then you should tap on the three dots at the top right corner. In appearing menu you need to find the option Pin to your profile and tap on it. When you pin the post, it will appear at the top of your profile page with a push pin icon. You can pin up only 3 posts or reels to the top of your profile page. If you want to unpin the post, just open the post and tap on the 3 dots at the top right corner and select Unpin from your profile. And that's all. It was how to pin and unpin posts on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.